Player 1 holds red.
Okay, Marco.
It's actually next evening already. Yeah, this night we continue. We have a few nice cars here. We came to this garage. Gonna go out, take some pictures, chill, have another pivečko, šmirečko, you know, and we'll see where the night takes us.
There's a lot of Rodris here because the guy is a Rodri specialist. So you got an FC here, FC here, FC here, and FC here.
MR2 up the roof.
There's MR2 up the roof there, and there's a lot of parts. Like Gobla says, this is more of a Japanese style workshop.
Really, you feel the vibe there.
Yeah. Hot Wheels.
Yeah, there's a big collection of Hot Wheels in that bathroom
Yeah?
over there. Yeah.
Ooh. So you just sit, relax, and enjoy. Look at that. Alright. Okay, man. Thank you very much. Ciao. Hey, Skyline.
These are just for you because you were coming from Poland. So, surprise you with a gift. Bam!
Yo.
So these are like the universal, like 18 by 9.5 plus 22, like universal set for S chassis. I mean, pretty much for any car. Yeah. So these are actually considered used, but
Is it lighter than the RPF one?
But come on, they, yeah.
Yeah, well, that's the 18 now. Oh, you feel so?
or they look new, but they're considered used.
Another day. Time to go to English Town. So we're just packing, took a shower, and we are going to English Town for a racetrack and a first event of the whole trip. Yes! Ale to jest fajne.
Trochę brudne, ale...
To nic. So basically I saw the steering wheel hanging on the wall, and I said to Seba that it's very cool, and he said I can buy it, no?
Of course, you can have it. Straight trade for some NIGHTRIDE merch.
For some merch. That's sick. Cool, thank you very much, man.
Yeah, of course.
Okay, for us it's time to leave Connecticut. We're going to New Jersey for the racetrack for the first event. And once again, super thank you to Olivia, Seba and Pavel for hosting us in their house. Super humble, nice, beautiful people. They're also part of a car community here. They have their own Team Nerd, if you want to follow it. It's down here. They have cool cars, they go drifting. I think it's worth to check them out. And once again, big thank you. And for us it's time to go.
It's time for you to see a heel flip. First try in the morning.
I prefer heel flip than kendama toy. Jesus.
I'll take it. That's a nice t-shirt, Sam. I heard they're getting restocked today.
Yeah, today. So we're going to Grant, yeah?
Yeah.
Who is Grant?
To be honest, I don't know. I can say that Grant is my friend.
Okay.
Grant is like a crazy, cool character. Many people know him from YouTube videos of other people, other YouTubers. Cool guy, cool party animal. I don't know.
Party animal.
Yeah, party animal.
Okay, Marek, I heard you are a party animal. Look at the size of your macchiato.
I'm drinking my small macchiato. He has American flag on the house, a big truck with Lavetka and a beer in the hand. And a nice beard. I like it.
Oh. Hey man.
What's up, man?
You right?
What
Grant,
a beast.
nice
Sam.
to meet you.
Hey.
Feel like I'm back in Poland.
Happy service.
Yeah, how does everyone in America have nice garage? Look at this epoxy.
I didn't clean. I'm sorry.
Ah, he didn't clean. So all this is Tommy's, yeah?
Tommy's and Tommy's clients. They are like making crazy restoration of these cars. You can find many videos on YouTube about this place already.
There's like 20 Skylines here.
I'll bring you.
Cool. I like this one. This is sick. So how many Skylines do you want?
Yes.
Look at all that.
What up, dog? I got all my Polish friends here with me.
This is like a crazy stuff. If you went farther,
There's more.
There will be like more mind blow, I think.
Wow. My days. This looks brand new. Everything here.
So they refresh every bolt. So this is like original hardware everywhere, and they like make it look like new.
All the little parts they like new ones. Wow. Gola, show me your face. Show me your face.
This is crazy. I know it will be crazy, but I didn't expect it will be as much crazy as it is in person.
Gobo, you want to see something cool?
Wait.
No, this is cool.
Listen,
This
after
is,
seeing 30 GTRs, yeah, and like 20 RB26s and stuff, he's like, you want to see something cool?
You buy the complete engine from HKS like this. VCAM, 2.8 liter stroker.
There's more stuff.
Brand new.
$40,000.
I don't know where to look. Guys, I'm actually kind of disappointed. I think we need to go because we just spoke to the owner and he said that first of all, his FD is a bit dirty and he only has 39 GTRs here.
Yeah, just 39 GTRs, you know.
I just think there's nothing really to film here.
Yeah, should just go.
Nothing. I just go.
He was Polish?
No, Vrona.
Okay, made it. English town. This is happening.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Okay, so that will be it for this video. It's super nice, warm, people are drifting, drinking a bit of piweczko, szmiereczko, very nice. We're excited to show you more of drifting tomorrow, but this will be the end of this video. Right now there's drifting happening, but it's more of a training for a few hours, literally like 2-3 hour session. But tomorrow is going to be the real drifting day. We're excited to show you what's going to happen here, and yeah, that's about it. So we'll see you in the next one. 2 or 3 days. Life is good, man.
26.